Picture this: under the bright sun and gentle breeze, endless sugarcane fields stretch out, lush and perfectly aligned. Few would guess that behind such a simple scene lies a painstaking journey, from planting and nurturing to harvesting each heavy stalk. Then, inside massive factories, billions of tons of cane are fed into modern machines, transformed into the pure white sugar crystals we use every day. Right now, join us as we uncover this remarkable process. You'll be amazed at how sugarcane is harvested and processed on such a massive scale. March marks the beginning of a new sugarcane season filled with hope. The strongest, healthiest stalks are carefully chosen, like seeds, carrying life to start the long journey ahead. Day by day, millions of stalks are planted, spreading endlessly across the fields and covering dozens of hectares. All of this lays a solid foundation for a sweet and abundant harvest waiting just ahead. Once the young sugarcane takes root, the next crucial factor is water. But instead of flooding the fields like in the past, smart irrigation systems now deliver the exact amount needed, at the right time and place. With only half the water compared to traditional methods, the cane still grows strong. Sophisticated sensors working with weather data quietly ensure every drop reaches where it's needed most. This isn't just efficient irrigation, it's a step toward a modern, sustainable, and resource-saving agriculture. After months of careful tending, the sugarcane fields enter their final stage before harvest. But before the stalks are loaded onto trucks, one crucial step takes place: burning the leaves. This isn't just a long-standing tradition, it helps clear away dry leaves, weeds, and pests, making harvesting cleaner and safer. It also allows the machines to run smoothly, boosting efficiency while keeping the cane's quality intact. This simple yet vital step paves the way for a more streamlined and effective processing journey. When harvest season arrives, the vast cane fields are no longer worked by hand but handed over to massive machines of modern agriculture. These giants can handle up to 100 tons of cane an hour, cutting, stripping leaves, and sorting right there in the field. With advanced sensors, every cut is precise, preserving the sweetest part of the stalk. Right after harvest, convoys of trucks line up to deliver millions of tons of cane to the mill. There, each batch is sampled and tested in the lab to determine its sugar content. Before processing begins, the cane is thoroughly washed with high-pressure water jets, stripping away dirt, sand, and any remaining impurities. This step not only protects the machinery from damage but also preserves the quality of the raw cane juice, the very heart of sugar production. Once washed, the long cane stalks are fed into specialized cutters that quickly chop them into shorter pieces. Before reaching the press, each piece passes through sharp steel gears that shred the fibers. On the production line, the system can handle up to 30 tons per hour, running almost non-stop. Next, the cane is pressed through heavy rollers that squeeze out every drop of raw juice. Thanks to these powerful rollers, the maximum amount of sugar is extracted, boosting the efficiency of the entire process. This is the most anticipated stage, inside the sugar mill, where sweet cane juice slowly turns into pure white crystals. After pressing, the raw juice still contains fibers, dust, and organic matter. To clean it, lime is added, causing impurities to settle and clarifying the juice, a crucial step before concentration. Next, the juice passes through a multi-stage evaporator, heated between 70 to 150 degrees Celsius, gradually thickening into a golden syrup, the base for the crystallization process that follows. During crystallization, seed sugar is added to the thick syrup and slowly cooled. Within a few hours, sugar crystals begin to take shape. The mixture is then spun in high-speed centrifuges to separate the crystals from the molasses. Afterward, the crystals are dried to prevent clumping and extend shelf life, before moving on to the refining stage to achieve the desired pure white color. To produce pure white sugar crystals, raw sugar is first dissolved in hot water at about 80 degrees Celsius, then reheated and filtered through layers of sand and gravel, followed by activated carbon to remove any remaining color. Once the solution meets quality standards, it's spun in centrifuges to separate out the white crystals. These crystals are cooled and sent straight to an enclosed packaging line, where each bag is precisely weighed, labeled, and thoroughly inspected before being packed into cartons, ready to be distributed to the market. And so, we've reached the end of the journey, from endless green sugarcane fields to the moment pure white crystals are born inside modern factories. Behind that familiar sweetness lies a meticulous process, shaped by both human effort and advanced technology. What about you? Have you ever seen how sugar is made with your own eyes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow the channel so you won't miss the next fascinating story.